Versus out, we've got Mr. Minister, Clibridge, Money King na outside. Together with Pagukol, Bubukol, Neriza, Money King. Neriza now takes the lead. Money King running by the is Mr. Minister, Pagukol, Bubukol. Alongside the Excelsia, Clibridge comes next. Neriza, the leader by about 2 lengths. Mr. Minister now in second. Money King in third, running by the fourth. Pagukol, Bubukol, Excelsia, Clibridge. Surplus King, Romelia comes next. Body Hassan. And trailing the group is Tanino. And that's still Neriza by about 3 lengths. Mr. Minister still in second. Money King coming closer in third, running by the fourth. Clibridge racing in fifth. Excelsia, then followed by Pagukol, Bubukol. Neriza, Mr. Minister still in second. Clibridge in third. Money King remains in fourth. And that's still Neriza by about 4 lengths. Mr. Minister, Clibridge, Money King is on the outside. But that's still Neriza, Mr. Minister, Clibridge, Money King. Neriza this time by about 4 lengths. Mr. Minister on the outside. Clibridge, Neriza followed by Mr. Minister, Clibridge. And finally, it's Neriza, Mr. Minister, Clibridge. Then comes Surplus King, Pagukol, Bubukol, Money King.
Okay, Bayan Teresa, para dito sa ating race number 5, only the 4th choice para sa karerang ito ng Rachete Nerissa, ang una po nating behado para lang ngayong gabi. At yan.